My favorite thing about Jamaica? Well, only the crime I don't like, but everything else is alright.
You love everything else? Oh, cool.
Well, I like the country, it's very cool, you know.
A Clarendon woman narrowly escaped death this morning after she stepped out into the traffic and was hit by a taxi. The incident took place in Clarendon Gardens sometime after 9. Reports indicate that the taxi was traveling from Moko to Maypen. The taxi driver, who refused to speak to us on camera, says he saw a bus stopping on the opposite side of the road to let off a passenger. Shortly after, a woman who was talking on her cell phone ran from in front of the vehicle, ending up in the path of the taxi. According to the driver, despite his best efforts to avoid hitting the woman, he couldn't. He says she sustained several injuries and was taken to hospital by a passerby. The driver was also taken into police custody to give a statement on what had happened. He was later released. Meanwhile, the woman, whose condition is unknown, remains in hospital.
Well, I like the country, it's very cool, you know.